Welcome to Food and Fire Outdoor Living, where we explore the ways outdoor cooking transforms the back garden into a place of flavor, atmosphere, and connection. In today's episode, we're looking at a question many people ask when planning their outdoor kitchens. Should you choose a wood-fired oven or gas-fired? I'll share my own experiences with a wood-fired oven. I will talk about what gas offers, and also mention a third option that combines the best of both worlds. Wood-fired ovens. Cooking with wood is something I know well, and it's about more than food. The crackle of the logs, the aroma of smoke, the gradual build of heat, it all creates an atmosphere that feels alive. Food from a wood-fired oven carries a depth of flavor that's hard to match. Pizzas blister beautifully, bread takes on a rustic crust, and roasts develop smoky undertones that make them unforgettable. From my own experience, there's a lot more involvement with wood. It takes practice and patience to get things right, but that's part of the joy. Personally, I like it because you're more engaged in the cooking process. You're tending the fire, adjusting the heat, and feeling connected to the food in a way that feels authentic. That moment of creating and controlling the flame is as satisfying as the meal itself. Gas-fired ovens. Gas-fired ovens, on the other hand, are all about convenience. With the turn of a dial, the oven is ready to cook in minutes. The heat is consistent, reliable, and easy to manage. For busy households or anyone who wants quick results, gas is a brilliant option. It makes outdoor cooking more accessible, especially when entertaining guests who expect food without delay. To me, gas seems easy, almost too easy, but each to their own. For some, that simplicity is exactly what makes it appealing. It removes the challenge and ensures consistent results, which can be a real advantage when time is short or when you want to focus on the social side of entertaining rather than the fire itself. Dual-fuel ovens. There is also a third option worth mentioning, dual-fuel ovens. These combine the romance of wood with the convenience of gas. You can fire up the oven quickly with gas when you need speed, and then switch to wood when you want that authentic smoky flavor and atmosphere. For many people, dual-fuel ovens offer the best of both worlds, giving flexibility without forcing you to choose one style over the other. Balancing tradition and modern living. So which is better? The truth is, it depends on your lifestyle. If you enjoy the ritual, the flavor, and the sense of tradition, a wood-fired oven will reward you every time you cook. If you value speed, consistency, and ease, gas may be the better fit. And if you want flexibility, dual-fuel ovens are a clever solution that adapts to both moods. In my own work, I've seen clients fall in love with the romance of wood, while others embrace the practicality of gas. Some even choose dual fuel, enjoying the freedom to switch between convenience and tradition. The important thing is that your oven reflects your way of living. There is no single right answer. Wood-fired ovens bring involvement, authenticity, and atmosphere. Gas-fired ovens bring convenience, reliability, and ease. Dual-fuel ovens bring flexibility, allowing you to enjoy both. An outdoor kitchen offers the perfect backdrop for any choice, whether you are gathering friends around a roaring fire or serving quick suppers with the turn of a dial. What matters most is that your oven turns outdoor cooking into an experience that feels truly your own. To explore more about outdoor cooking and kitchen design, visit Food and Fire Outdoor Living.